The next step is to reverse the nominal balances that have been entered so far, and the nominal balances that have been created by entering the opening balances. Now this is very straightforward, this option. However, before you can complete this step, you'll be prompted to take a backup, and we'd recommend that you click yes at this point. You'll also be prompted to check your data before the backup is taken, and we recommend that you click yes to this prompt as well. The check data option should almost be instantaneous at this stage because we've hardly entered any information so far. We've only got a handful of customer and supplier records, and we've entered a few opening balances. So it tells us no problems to report on the data. We click OK. If there were any problems, the problems will be split into errors, warnings and comments. And if you need to find out what these are, you've got options on the left. You can see down the left hand side, summary, errors, warnings, comments, and you can just click those to find out more detail of what those are. Now if you need to find out how to resolve them, you've got a little link in the bottom left corner there, and that will guide you across to our website where you can check out the nature of the error, warning or comment, what it means and what you need to do about that. However, as there are no problems in our example, we can just click close. You then close out of file maintenance and the backup window appears. Now for the backup we can rename it. However, you do have a default file name there which just says Sage Accounts, your company name, and then it's got the date in reverse order followed by the time when you take the backup. You've also got a location as well, which you can see in my example is defaulted to C:/Sage Backups. However, you can browse, you could back up to a memory stick, a network drive, somewhere on your hard disk. It's up to you. I'm just going to accept those defaults, so we'll click OK. The time it takes to complete your backup will depend on how much data you have and the speed of your PC, etc. However, in this case it's almost instantaneous because we've hardly entered any information so far. So it's complete, we just click OK. That takes us to the opening balance reversals window. Nothing complicated at this point. All we need to do at the bottom is click reverse. We'll then return to the opening balances window, and that's the step complete.